Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Snoopy and Woodstock from the Peanuts cartoons. I'm a giant fan of Peanuts, so there's going to be a lot of that on here. But Snoopy's going to be hugging Woodstock. So, all right, that's pretty much it. Let's jump right into it, okay? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the top of Snoopy's head. It's just a simple curve. That's going to roll underneath here. It's going to roll underneath over the top here for his nose. And it's going to pull around, almost like a part of a peanut shape. Ha, like peanuts. Okay. Pull this a little bit lower on this side. And I'm going to go from this side, and I'm going to pull a line out a little bit. Out, down, curve, up. It's gonna be for Snoopy's ear. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna draw Woodstock here, so that, you know, because he's gonna be in the way. So I'm gonna start drawing Woodstock, and so I'm gonna start over here with maybe in this area, right, the lower part. Pull out over here for Woodstock's nose. You put it into like there, like a little smile. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna pull this line upward. Line over here. I'm gonna just separate line over here for Woodstock's hair. Here, 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 here. And then about here, I'm gonna pull a line from the bottom right here. For the bottom of his back of his neck here, down to his actual neck. Oops. Sorry, my light keeps going out. I don't know why. I need a new light. Oh my gosh, this light. Just a reminder, if anybody wants to donate, absolutely, there's a PayPal right there. If you want to donate, every single thing you donate goes straight into this channel, like buying a new light or editing software or stuff like that, or markers. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna pull a line down. It's gonna be his, so you have his head there. So let's draw his eyes. They're gonna be just straight lines like that. Like that's one eye, and that's the other. He's closing his eyes. Gonna go over here to the front of his nose, and I'm gonna pull a line out here, which is gonna be Snoopy's mouth. Right there. Going right here at the top of his head. I'm gonna draw a black circle. It's gonna be Snoopy's nose. I'm gonna fill that in. And then over here on this side, I'm gonna draw one of Snoopy's eyes, and it's gonna be the same thing as Woodstock's. A line over here. And on this side, a line over here. All right. Let's go over here, around the ear, and pull down for the neck. Go to the hand, curve for the thumb, curve for the other hand, curve for the other hand. Well, not really, like finger, I mean, or paw, as you call it. And I'm gonna have his curve right here for his arm. Curve underneath here for his arm on this side. Over here. So let's go over here to this side, this shoulder. Snoopy's shoulder, he's grabbing. His hand is underneath here. And you see his finger right there. See, just like a little curve here for the finger. Curve here for the finger as well. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like the drawing topic or like the lesson. Likes fuel the channel. Like they're literally the thing that keeps the channel alive. So hit that like if you're enjoying this or following along. Okay, gonna go over here to the ear. And inside the ear, I'm gonna draw another shape just like that. Change markers. And I'm gonna fill that in. Oops, that marker is really not great. Let's dry it out. Go over here. Like so. All right. A couple of lines here on Snoopy's head, like they're like hair. Like he has that a lot. Gonna go from Snoopy right here, from his back, drawing a line here is gonna be his back curved down, like so. Gonna pull a line flat where he's sitting. Up over here, curve for his foot. Gonna go right here at the end of his foot, pull a line in. Over here, same thing, the end of his other foot. Line, 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 line. Let's draw his tail. Line out, down, curve. And he has like a spot on his tail, I noticed, and actually a spot on his back, like a really small one. All right. So I'm gonna add some yellow to Woodstock. I'm gonna grab a yellow marker. You can, you don't need to, but I think it's a good idea to do that. I'm gonna go over here and, this yellow's too dark, but it's gonna have to do because I already started it. Using a Prismacolor marker here. And it's interesting because it just kind of fades into the lines here, which is fascinating. There you go. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. Make this the video you subscribe on if you made it all the way to the very end. Hit that subscribe. I post every single weekday. It's going to be 3 videos every single weekday. So it's 15 videos a week on tutorials of every single thing you can imagine under the sun. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more